This sign says how to use the TI-84 to use statistics. Mean, median, Q1, Q3, etc. Now, let's get to it.
Okay, so today you are using the TI-84 to do statistics. So in your activity, you're going to analyze these pieces of data, heartbeats of some students: 72, 75, 81, 76, 76, 77, 79, and 78. And your job is going to be to get some of the information that you would normally put in a box plot from this data set. All right, so how are we going to do that? Well, we're going to use our calculators. So step one is to turn your calculator on. That's the first thing you do. You're going to turn it on. So here we go. I turn my calculator on. I have an 83, you have an 84, same idea. So it's turned on. Then the next thing that I want to do, as you can see there, I have to press Stat. So I press Stat, and that's what I see. The next step after you press Stat is to press Enter. So I'm going to press Enter here, down here at the bottom right is Enter, and I'll press that. All right, and this is what I see. All right, so step one is done. Now for step two. What do I do for step two? Well, I'm going to be entering the data under this list that you see here. So the first data I enter is going to be 72. So I enter 72. All right, I enter that and I press Enter again, and so 72 appears. Same thing, I'm going to do the same thing for 75. I'm going to press 75. I'm going to press Enter, and there you see it. It's in the list now. And the next one is going to be pressing 81. So I press 81. I hit Enter button down there, and there you see 81. All right, and so I'm going to put the more information in. I think you get the idea. So 76, Enter, 76, Enter, 77, Enter, 79, hit Enter, see it there. Finally, 78, hit Enter, and so there is my data. Now it says L19, so we're not putting in the ninth data. The last piece of data we have is 78, and L1 with 8 inside the parentheses tells you that those two things tell you rather that you have 8 pieces of data. All right, and so now we are going up to step 3. All right, what does step 3 tell us? Step 3 tells us that we have to press Stat again. So I go back here and I'm going to press Stat. And what do I see when I press Stat? When I press Stat, I see this menu open up before us. But after I press Stat, I'm going to go to the scroll button right here, and I'm going to scroll right. And so when I scroll right, I hit Calc. Calc is highlighted. And after I hit Calc, I'm just going to press Enter. So I'm pressing Enter now right here. And if you know this, I see one var stats. I'm going to keep pressing Enter and Enter and Enter until the entire thing is populated. So Enter. Oh, in my case, I only needed to press once. In your case, you might need to press several times, all right? Okay, so you can press, see, however many times you need to press. It doesn't spoil anything if you press Enter too many times. Too many enters here would not do anything bad. So anyway, this is it. So I scroll down, and now I'm gonna go to, after I press enter, I'm gonna go to step 4. And so now that my screen is populated, all right, I pressed enter over and over again. I have a screen that's populated. That was step 4. All right, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take that scroll button right here, and I'm gonna press it to see the rest of my data. All right, and so there I have my minimum of 72, which we know, you can look at the data there and see that minimum was 72. And I can scroll down more. I see Q1, which is 75.5. I see the median, which is 76.5. I see Q3, which is 78.5. And I see the maximum, which we know is 81. You can see that there. And so this is what we want, right? So now your job is going to be, I'm going to obviously turn this video off, and your job is going to try to be to use the anchor charts and to replicate to do this on your own. All right, so all the best. Do this entire process on your own.